Physical properties of phenols. हैं? Physical properties of phenols. Phenols का physical property. You know, phenol is this. Phenols are generally crystalline liquids. Phenols are generally odorless, again odorless, crystalline liquids or solids. Definitely odorless, they are liquids or solids, that's why odorless, and you see they are crystalline. Why? Because the intermolecular forces are there and that make them crystalline liquids or solids. Okay, but sorry, not odorless. Oh, generally colorless. They are colorless crystalline solids or liquids. They have a characteristic order.
Solids of characteristic order.
Solid order থাকে না, সামান্য গন্ধ থাকে না, আমার তো সেটা আমার মতো বলতেছিস। Characteristic order. Is this clear to you? Now, you see, this is about state and smell. Now, if we talk about solubility and boiling point, let us talk about solubility at first. Solubility of phenols. Are they soluble in water? Are they soluble, properly soluble in water? Phenols are sparingly means, what is the meaning of term sparingly? Olpo, hardly, sparingly soluble in H2. Now question definitely will arise, that reason why are phenols sparingly soluble in water? What is the reason behind that? Phenols are sparingly soluble in water, and the reason behind that is, although intermolecular hydrogen bonding will be there between water and phenol molecule, if phenol is put inside water, H2O, OHH, 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 OHH. Although water is there, and in between if you put phenol, this OH should interact with the O and H due to its electronegativity, hydrogen bonding वगैरह should be created, and it should be soluble. But what basically happens is that due to the presence of this particular benzene ring, there is a available surface area which interacts with the hydrogen molecule. This is the reason phenols are sparingly soluble. You cannot say totally insoluble. You cannot say it is totally insoluble, but of course you can say that it is sparingly soluble in water. Is this clear? এটা টেম্পার গ্লাসটা কালকে খুলে গেল, আমি ভাবলাম লাগাবো,
এইখানটা রেখে দাও, করবে না।
না না চার্জে দিয়ে দিই, বেস্ট। So this phenol part, this benzene part does interact or interrupt, better to use the word interrupt, does interrupt with the hydrogen bonding, and hence it becomes or it overshadows the polar character of OH.
স্যার এত সার্ফেসের মানে ভালোভাবে সলিউবল হওয়া উচিত ছিল।
না না না, এটা তুই ভাবতেছিস তো যে গোল কমে গেছে, না, স্টিল ইট ইজ আ বিগার পার্ট দেন দ্যাট অফ OH। তো এখানে যখন হাইড্রোজেন বন্ডিং করতে যাবে, ভাব না এই এইচটা আর এখানে ধর আরেকটা ফিনল আছে, এখানে OH আছে, এটার মধ্যে হবে? হবে না, না, কারণ এটা মাঝখানে আসতেছে সেরকম। ইজ দিস ক্লিয়ার টু ইউ? হ্যাঁ, সো ইট ওভারশ্যাডোজ দ্য polar part, that's why it is sparingly soluble. Again, you cannot say totally insoluble also. Now talking about boiling. Close the video.